Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
Alright guys, and we are back, and we're going to be taking a look at Harbor Freight sales today. So we're going to be looking at the super deals going on through Monday, February 6th through Sunday, February 19th. So as always, guys, we're going to go through these. We're going to touch on a few that I have experience with myself or that I've heard good things about. And as always, guys, if I don't touch on something or I miss something, make sure you guys put it in the comment section below so that I can be informed as well as other viewers. So again, this is going to be Harbor Freight's coupon super deals Monday, February 6th through Sunday, February 19th. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So we have these socket rails here. These are very cheap. Even at regular price, $1.49. They're very flimsy in my opinion. But if you need it to do the job, it does do the job. Got some super glue, industrial grade electrical tape. Zip ties always come in handy here. 4-inch white cable ties, 100 pack for $1. That's not bad at all. Got some batteries. I have never used the Thunderbolt. I've used the can't even think off the top of my head what brand it is. It's the blue and black ones. Those seem to work pretty good. I think maybe they're like $1 or two more. Like I said before, guys, it's always good to have some extra batteries lying around. You never know when you're gonna need them. We got a 15-inch flat pry bar, 8-inch needle nose pliers. Here's a nice little 30 caliber ammo box, $5 on sale. Original price $6.99. These are always good to have for ammunition or tools. Usually there's a ring inside here that keeps that helps keep water and moisture out. Well, it keeps water out. These are pretty nice to have. These guys, these hose clamp assortment. Originally $6.90, on sale for $5. This is always great to have lying around. I've used these plenty of times. I actually might go and pick some of these up because I do use them a lot. They always end up coming in handy to repair a broken one or just to add one where you need it. So I have this as well, this Hall Master assorted length elastic stretch cords, 12 piece. I use these mostly to like hold cables, wire cables on the car out of the way. I've even used some of the thicker ones here to hold up the some exhaust manifolds or some exhaust pipes from under the car. They were even strong enough to hold a steering rack. I used a couple of those for that, so that's kind of what I use those for. They come in handy pretty well. So we have this US General 44-inch by 22-inch double bank roller cabinet on sale for $569.99, originally $5.99. I don't have this specifically, but the US General does have some good quality tool chest or cabinets, so I imagine this would be pretty good deal right here. You also have 6 available colors. I think that's always cool to color match your cabinets or your tool carts anyway. Here's 1,750 psi, 1.3 GPM corded electric pressure washer On sale for $84.99, originally $99. You got a little mechanics tool set here, 225 piece. On sale for $114.99, originally $149.99. And it has a lifetime warranty. That's pretty cool. Pittsburgh brand, lifetime warranty. So that would probably be a nice little starter set for someone. Does anybody have any experience with the Syntec battery charger with engine jump starter? I've been looking at this for a while. I've been thinking about trying it out. Anybody out there have any experience with this, good or bad? Let me know in the comment section below. It would really help out. So here's a US General 26-inch single bank top chest. Again, it's got 6 different colors. Three-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. $209.99. Original price is $249. For that price, seems kind of high. For that price, I would rather go for the Daytona jack. Me personally, I don't really have any experience with the Pittsburgh brand jacks. So we're gonna just slowly go through. We're skimming over some of them, but here's a 12-to-1 infrared laser thermometer by Ames. Originally $24.99. It's on sale for $14.99. This comes in handy. I've used this to check the outside engine temperature compared to the actual engine temperature that it's showing on the sensor. Trying to get an idea of if the sensor's going bad or if it's within range. Stuff for like that. So we have a Pittsburgh pneumatic roller seat on sale for $24.99. Original price is $32.99. I really like this roller seat. I use it quite often. Very sturdy, very comfortable. I like this little tool tray down here. Comes in handy. Not bad for $24.99. That's actually the price I got it at when I did purchase it. So that's a good deal right there. I highly recommend that pneumatic roller seat. We have a Earthquake 20-volt cordless 3/4 inch extreme torque impact wrench kit with a 4-hour battery, fast charger, and a case. On sale for $249.99. Original price is $289.99. So here we have a brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit. I purchased this and I have yet to use it. I haven't even used this yet. So anybody out there used it? Maybe you guys can give some feedback. Was it good? Was it bad? I haven't used it yet, so I can't honestly tell you. Here's the rubber wheel chock with eye bolt. Those always come in handy. You can use this for obviously your vehicle so it wouldn't roll forward or back if you're jacking it up, or for trailers or anything like that. Those always good to have. A little extra safe measure. Here's a 6/12 volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead. I have this one. It works great. I've never had an issue with it. It's pretty cheap, and I've never had an issue with it. I use this quite often. Here is a 3.5 inch digital inspection camera with a micro SD card slot. Actually, this one might be better than the one I have. I think I have an older version of this. I don't think it has an SD card slot. That's pretty cool. But anyway, I have the Ames. I have one very similar to this by Ames. Yeah, this one's different. This one's a lot different. Wow. Comes in a nice case. Looks like a nice hard case. That's pretty cool. Inspect inside the walls or the sink. You don't necessarily have to use it for an automotive application. But anyway, I have a version of this. I think it's the older version. I don't remember how much I think I paid $79 for it. $79 for it. I think I got it on sale. This is great to get into hard to reach places. You can kind of see what's going on in some crevices or cracks. I used it several times to look inside of the combustion chamber, down the spark plug hole to look into the combustion chamber, and it's really been a big help. I highly recommend it for $139 from its original $174.99. Not a bad deal whatsoever. Would highly recommend that. Here's a Yukon 65-inch multi-purpose wall mount tool organizer. Oh, that's not what I was thinking it was. That's pretty cool for $9.99. We have some Doyle 8-inch fast adjust water pump pliers and 12-inch fast adjust water pump pliers. I have a Doyle ratcheting screwdriver that I truly like. It's a pretty good brand. And that's it, guys. And then you have, let's see what this is. You have a 10% off all Icon storage and Icon storage accessories. And I guess we could slowly go through this. So basically that 10% off will work on any of these Icon brand cabinets or accessories. And that's it, guys. There is your coupon super deals. Again, these are good from Monday, February 6th through Sunday, February 19th. So as you can see, they got quite a bit on sale. Some pretty good stuff. Some stuff it's very repetitive. I know I skip over a lot. It's just because I don't have any experience with the tool or device, and I haven't really heard much about it, so I can't give you any kind of input. I don't want to give you any false input, but there you have it, guys. Again, if I missed something and you guys want to speak about it, whether it's good or bad, make sure to go ahead and put it in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.